Hello and welcome. This is a new episode from Aero Arduino, and in this episode, I'm sharing with you the 1000 Arduino Dinosaur game quest, and this is our 10th episode. If you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos. As we all know that this beautiful game on the Chrome browser, when the internet is down, the Dinosaur T-Rex game, many people are simulating it and making it on Arduino, and now we see how it's going. This guy has made it using real life jumping and ducking. As you can see here, he really actually jumps and ducking using very small components and very simple hardware circuit. This is a strength sensor that he puts in his flip-flops, and this is a stretch sensor that he puts in his shirt to detect ducking, and this is Arduino board. He says that it's any Arduino board that supports it can be used as a keyboard from only some circuits like Arduino MKR0 or Esplora or Leonardo or Zero or Dio and Maker family, not Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, not Arduino Nano Pro, okay? Because here he used it for as a keyboard that inputs the keyboard inputs to the PC. I guess this thing can be hacked or something. We don't need those exact circuits. We can use Arduino, normal Arduino, but without making it as a keyboard circuit. But it needs some tricks on the software. Maybe we can make it sometime. Now we can see the circuit here on Hackster. Here is the schematics. That's the force sensor. That's the stretch sensor that senses the ducking, and that's the force sensor that senses the jumping. And here is the code. I guess he has made some small thing for 3D printing, and now he uses his full motion to control the dinosaur using jumping and ducking. That's a beautiful game, and it really actually you can burn fat with it. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Now let's see the code on Arduino here on Hackster website. He starts by including the keyboard, as we've seen that this Arduino he used can be used as a keyboard, and that's the stretch sensor and the force sensor. Then he starts the function keyboard and the method begin, and the pin mode A0. Of course, this is for the for the yeah for one of the two sensors. Okay, here doesn't appear which one is going to the. Here's the pin A0 and pin A2. Okay, anyway, 1 and 2, that input, and the built-in LED. The serial baud rate is 9,600. He starts by initializing the variable using the analog grid on pin A1 in the loop function, and then he prints the stretch value and the force value. That's the jumping and that's the ducking. If stretch value is less than the threshold, then he digital write the built-in LED lights on, and the keyboard, he presses the keyboard down arrow. Here is the ducking. He has made that the Arduino acts as a keyboard input to the computer, to the PC, that sends the down arrow. Then the built-in LED is low, and if the force, that's the jumping sensor, less than the force threshold, then he makes the LED high again, and then presses the space bar, and then turns the built-in LED low again. That's all the code and the circuit, so simple and very, very, very smart and very beautiful, I must admit it. So now we can see he is playing the beautiful game in the real world. I really love those interactions with Arduino and electronics with the real life, so you can interact with the real life with Arduino, not just something virtual, it's something real. That was the circuit. I'll leave the link to the video in the video description. And please support us in our 1000 Arduino Dinosaur quest. So if you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.